Hello, welcome back. Well, this is your boy Wiki Panda International. Well, first things first. Now, today I want us to look at how we can hide, how we can change the taskbar. Yeah. So I had a friend of mine, and this friend of mine was asking me about, okay, this car thing was disturbing him. And then he was like, I even want to see things in the corner and stuff like that. Is there any way I can put this at the top? And then I was like, it's very fine and it is very okay. It's possible now. Currently mine is at the top, but we can change this. So now today I'm going to show you how we can change this taskbar. You can put it wherever you want, left, right, top, bottom. So right about now, let's dive into our video. So the first thing is you right click on the taskbar and then you look for taskbar settings. So you click on the taskbar settings. When you click on the taskbar settings, this appears. So when it appears, probably you're going to look for taskbar location on your screen. So I can put it on the right. So I can put it on the left. So I can put it at the bottom. Can put it back at the top, and probably that is where I want mine to be. And I always do the always hide labels and stuff like that, or never. So probably this is where we set the taskbar settings. We can do anything that we want on the taskbar settings. Thank you very much. This is your boy Wiki Panda International, the world's most effective automatic effect, representing WikiWorks. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and you tell us what you want in the comment section. We are here to solve problems. Thank you.